Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart punching bags that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Luby Smart Force Tracker. This compact sensor is designed to attach to your existing punching bag, transforming it into a smart training tool capable of tracking your punch force, speed, and reaction time. With real-time data sent directly to your smartphone via an Android app, it's perfect for athletes who want detailed analytics of their workouts. The app also offers multiple training modes, including force tests, reaction tests, and challenge modes, making it flexible for users of all skill levels. The design is sleek and minimalist, with a lightweight build that won't interfere with your punching sessions. However, it's worth noting that this device is not compatible with water-filled punching bags and requires a bag weighing over 15 kilograms for optimal performance. The voice feedback feature is a nice touch, allowing you to focus on your training without constantly checking your phone. Despite its innovative features, the device's limited compatibility and its niche appeal make it less versatile compared to other products. The Luby Smart Force Tracker is best suited for users who already own a punching bag and want advanced data tracking to improve their technique. While it's an affordable way to upgrade your training setup, its reliance on a separate punching bag and its basic build quality may not appeal to everyone. Pros include detailed data tracking and voice feedback, while cons are limited compatibility and the need for a separate punching bag. Coming in at number 4 is the Aqua Training Bag Sensor Kit. This is a unique offering designed specifically for aqua training bags, making it ideal for users who already own one of these water-filled punching bags. The standout feature here is its smartphone app, which tracks metrics like punch force, punch frequency, calorie burn, and hardest punch. The app even allows you to personalize your workout with features like a round timer and start-stop bell, enabling you to train like a professional. The sensor itself is compact and easy to install, seamlessly integrating into your training sessions. While the analytics provided are robust and detailed, its exclusive compatibility with aqua training bags means it's not suitable for users with traditional sandbags or other types of punching bags. Additionally, the sensor is geared towards intermediate and advanced users who want to take their training to the next level. The Aqua Training Bag Sensor Kit is great for MMA fighters, boxers, and fitness enthusiasts already invested in aqua training bags. Its advanced data tracking and personalized options offer significant value. However, its limited compatibility and higher learning curve make it less suitable for beginners. Pros include detailed analytics and app integration, while cons are its exclusivity to aqua training bags and reliance on smartphone connectivity. At number 3, we have the Droic Music Boxing Machine, a wall-mounted smart punching pad designed for both professional training and recreational use. This product boasts 9 dynamic modes and 9 speed levels, making it suitable for users of all ages and fitness levels. Its smart touchscreen control panel allows you to select training modes and difficulty levels, ensuring a personalized workout experience. The device also features an intelligent counting function that tracks every punch, helping users monitor their progress over time. The design is modern and durable, constructed from polyurethane PU for a sturdy build. The wall-mounted design saves space, making it ideal for home gyms, offices, or small apartments. However, its fixed installation may not be as versatile as standalone punching bags, and the product's relatively heavy weight might complicate mounting for some users. Additionally, while it offers a fun and engaging workout with music integration, the lack of advanced analytics compared to other smart punching bags might be a drawback for data-driven athletes. Overall, the Droic Music Boxing Machine is a versatile and accessible option for users looking to improve their reaction speed and body coordination. It's perfect for beginners and casual fitness enthusiasts who want a fun and interactive workout. Pros include multiple modes and a sturdy build, while cons are its fixed installation and limited analytics compared to higher-end models. At number 2, we have the Owinto Music Boxing Machine, a wall-mounted punching pad designed for kids and adults alike. This product shines with its focus on safety and entertainment, featuring a striking surface made from high-elasticity sponge pads to protect your hands. It's equipped with Bluetooth functionality, allowing users to play their favorite music while training to rhythmic light effects. With 3 adjustable speed modes, it's a great way to engage kids and adults in a fun and energetic workout. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to mount on various wall surfaces. Its double fixing system, combined with vacuum suction cups and EVA foam backing, ensures stability during use. While it's an excellent choice for beginners and families, its limited capabilities for advanced analytics and professional training might not appeal to seasoned athletes. Additionally, its smaller size makes it most suitable for younger users or casual boxing enthusiasts. The Owinto Music Boxing Machine is best suited for families looking for a safe and entertaining way to stay active. It's ideal for kids age 6 and up, as well as adults seeking a stress-relieving workout. Pros include its safety-focused design and music integration, while cons are its lack of advanced features and limited appeal for professional users. And finally, at number 1, we have the LOLBOX Music Boxing Machine. This upgraded wall-mounted smart punching pad offers the perfect blend of functionality, durability, and user engagement. With its intelligent touchscreen, users can adjust speed modes and lighting effects to match their workout intensity. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to play your favorite songs, making each session dynamic and enjoyable. Its smart counting function tracks every punch, ensuring you stay motivated and informed throughout your training. The design is sleek and sturdy, crafted from high-quality ABS plastic for durability. Installation is a breeze thanks to the Velcro height adjustment and flexible mounting options, saving up to 90% of setup time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, the LOLBOX Music Boxing Machine adapts to your needs with its versatile modes and professional-grade sound optimization. The included boxing gloves and accessories make it a complete package, ready to use straight out of the box. This product is ideal for users of all ages and fitness levels, whether you're looking to improve your reaction speed, release stress, or simply enjoy a fun workout at home. Pros include its ease of installation, Bluetooth music integration, and versatile speed modes, while cons are the lack of advanced analytics for professional use. With a 4.5-star rating and over 1,000 positive reviews, the LOLBOX Music Boxing Machine is the top pick for smart punching bags in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.